G'day there, Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car and Office, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of our 2019 Toyota Hilux in a tub. Really great looking utility, loads of features, and I do apologise if I do miss anything on the website. They are listed, noting all the extras this ute has been fitted with. So, as you'll see, really tough, aggressive looking ute at the front end, and again what I'll do in this video is take you right around the outside of the vehicle, through the interior, give you a really good indication of the ute's quality and condition. These videos are really handy for people that do live a fair way away from us here in Officer. Gives you the confidence of the vehicle's quality and condition as well. So what we'll do is we'll start from the driver's door. As you'll see, it does have a set of Slimline weather shields fitted, and also does have a Tradesman roof rack fitted on the top. Again, all the photos are on that website of all those features. You will notice it does have window tint fitted, so really handy if you're a young guy or girl. Save a bit of money on window tint as well. Coming down the driver's front door, really clean condition of that paintwork, absolutely phenomenal. So I got a bit of a frog in my throat this morning, but hopefully you can hear me okay. So really clean condition of that paintwork all the way down to your side steps. So really clean condition of the side steps, and then coming along to your front guard, as you'll see, it does have a snorkel fitted. So again, loads of extras on this utility. So you get your snorkel on the driver's guard, all the way to your paintwork on the driver's guard, really clean condition, down to your alloy wheels. Alloy wheels in great condition, and tyre tread, plenty of tread left on the tyres as well. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, it is a Hoopless steel bull bar, so really good quality Hoopless steel bull bar. Does have a winch fitted as well, so you see your winch cable just beneath there. Aftermarket grille, so really tough, aggressive look, and it's also got the aftermarket edging on the lights there, which you can, hopefully you can see in the video there, so has been fitted out very, very well. Coming up to your bonnet section, does have an aftermarket decal on the bonnet, which is a fake looking spoiler or fender on the bonnet. It is plastic from memory, but you'll see a lot of these utes now are coming with all this stuff, so it gives it that nice aggressive look on the front end of the vehicle. Coming all the way along on that Hoopless bull bar, as you'll see, really clean condition, no damage to note on the front end of the vehicle. Even your red accents in that grille section. Does have your fog lights fitted in the bull bar also as well, but doesn't that look great on the front end? Really sporty looking Hilux. So any young guy or girl, this is a car for you. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Coming around to the passenger side, front guard area, again you see paintwork, absolutely phenomenal, up to your bonnet section. So very, very clean condition on that paintwork. Coming around to the alloy wheel and tyre, again plenty of tread left on the tyre, and your alloy wheels are in great condition. Continuing on with the paintwork on the outside, just on that passenger side, again you do have your weather shields, your Tradesman roof rack, but as you see, paintwork is phenomenal. Very, very clean along that passenger side, all the way down to your side steps, and then coming to your rear door, again paintwork is phenomenal, no major damage or marks to note whatsoever. So very, very clean condition. Pardon me. Coming to your tub section, as you see, tubs in great order. Coming down to your alloy wheel and tyre, again plenty of tread left on the tyre, alloy wheels in great condition as well. But continuing on with the tub section, as you see, really clean condition of the paintwork, nothing to note or to scare you away from. Again, very, very clean condition all the way through. Coming to the rear end of the utility, you'll see your Toyota emblem on that tub section. Very, very clean condition all the way through. It does have a TGM steel Towbar, which all are steel. It does have a Towbar, which is a TGM Towbar as well. But as you see, really clean condition all the way on the rear end of the utility. Very, very clean. No damage to note. Up to your tonneau cover, again, really clean condition. Up to your headerboard, no damage again. So I'll flip around the back end of this car and we'll keep doing the exterior while we're here as well. So coming to the rear end on that driver's side, again, paintwork is absolutely phenomenal. No damage to the tub again. Ultra clean condition. Again, your rear alloy and tyre, so plenty of tread left on the tyre, and alloy wheels in great condition. And then just to finalise the exterior, just on that rear door on the driver's side, as you see, very, very clean condition all the way through. So just a tough looking ute, really good for a young guy or girl trying to make a statement with all their mates that have got a Hilux. This is a car for you, so very, very clean. Coming to your rear door card, just on that rear side of the driver's entry, back to your cloth interior, again really clean condition, so no tears or splits in that cloth interior. Very, very clean all the way through. Over to your passenger side seat as well, again ultra clean condition of the cloth interior, so again no tears or splits in the cloth interior. Over to your door card on the passenger side, And back to your seating again, no tears or splits in the cloth interior, so very, very clean all the way through. So beautiful condition. Let's open the driver's door. We'll take you through the interior and the features internally as well. All right, so internally, just your door card, just that driver's side, so very clean condition. Coming back to your interior. Sorry, my camera was a bit quick there, just doing a bit of a pirouette. Again, your cloth interior, you hear the beep beep to say the keys are in ignition, but we will jump in and start it in one tick. Again, cloth interior is in great condition. Over to your passenger side seat. Again, ultra clean condition all the way down to your door card. Again, ultra clean all the way through. So I'll jump inside the ute, just take you through interior wise of the utility so you know what you're looking at internally. We'll start the ute up as well, get the engine running so you can see current kilometres. We'll get the steering wheel back around so we can see the Ks. All right, so current kilometres, we're going to turn that volume down the radio.
Crafted from naturally sourced ingredients from around.
Hopefully you can hear me over the radio. So current kilometres is 129,836. So they're the current kilometres Ute has travelled as of today. Back to your steering wheel, you do have your volume controls and Bluetooth buttons to your left-hand side of your steering wheel. Over to your right-hand side is your cruise control, which is on the driver's side stalk of the steering arm. Internally is just your AM/FM radio, which is your Bluetooth compatibility. Really handy for you young people with the music. You can stream your music through via Bluetooth. Down beneath that is your heating and air conditioning 4x4 dial. Beneath that is your 12-volt plug on the right and your USB port on your left. And then coming back from there is your dual cup holders. Again, automatic transmission. But it's just a great looking ute, guys. So winch, your hoopless steel bull bar, Towbar, which is a TGM bull bar, side steps, snorkel, window tint. It's got absolutely everything and just a great looking ute. So if you have any other questions moving forward in relation to this ute or anything else we have here at Your Next Car and Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call to the dealership. If you need to speak to Andrew, Glenn or Scott, we'll be here to help you. But as you'll see, awesome looking Hilux ute, and hopefully we've found the right ute for you. Otherwise, have a great day.